Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The structure shown is OHC, CH2, CH3, a 4-carbon compound with an aldehyde, ChO, at one end and a ketone, C is equal to O, within the chain. Step 2. Identify the principal characteristic group. In IUPAC nomenclature, when both an aldehyde and a ketone are present, the aldehyde has higher priority and is chosen as the principal characteristic group, receiving the suffix -al. Step 3. Number the parent chain. The longest carbon chain containing the aldehyde carbon is numbered starting from the aldehyde carbon, C1. The chain is C1, ChO, C2, CH2, C3, C is equal to O, C4, CH3, giving a 4-carbon parent chain butanol. Step 4. Name the substituent secondary group. The ketone at C3 is expressed as a prefix OXO with locant 3, since the suffix is already taken by the aldehyde. Step 5. Assemble the name. Parent chain is equal to butanol, OXO substituent at C3 is equal to 3-OXO, full name is equal to 3-oxobutanol. Step 6. No other options are present to eliminate, but alternate names like succinaldehyde or 3-ketobutanol are not acceptable IUPAC names. Therefore, the correct answer is 3-oxobutanol. The correct answer is shown on screen.